Hi, I'm Bob Leffler with FearlessAgentRecruiting.com. Thanks for joining me in this video series on how to recruit producing real estate agents. Of course, I hope that we end up doing business together someday, and I end up coaching you personally on how to recruit producing agents. But either way, at the end of these videos, you're going to be much better at recruiting, and you can feel free to call me anytime at 480-385-8810 to have a complimentary coaching call and see if what we do might be a good fit for you. If it is a good fit for you, you are going to get rich. And if it's not, I'm happy to help you in any other way I can. And there's lots of ways, of course, that I can help you. So I could do an event for your company that would help you recruit. I could do an event just to train your agents how to dramatically increase their income. So I want to just start by telling you a story. There's a guy that I coach in recruiting. His name is Terry. And I had one of those complimentary coaching calls with him. And so he just seemed like a nice guy, seemed like the kind of broker I would want to work with if I was an agent. And so he, at the end of our little call, he said, well, I need to think about it. I said, great, that's fine. So then a couple of days later, I get a call from an agent, and she says, I'm new to real estate. And, she had signed up for coaching with me. And I said, well, what company do you work for? And she said, well, I was going to ask you about that. I said, well, I know what company you're going to work for. I'm going to have a guy named Terry call you. You're going to beg him to hire you. And if he does, then you're going to stay with him forever. And he has made $150,000 of company dollar just off of her. And I personally have recruited some other agents to his company in addition to the ones I taught him how to recruit. So if I believe in you and you believe in me, you're going to get rich doing this. But in this series of videos, I want to teach you some inside secrets on how to recruit producing agents. So please go to the next video, and I'm going to tell you my story. So what I'm going to do is give you my story, because I think there's some parts of that would help you in your recruiting. And then I go with some questions about your company that you could ask yourself. And then I'm going to talk about some of the problems that are built into the recruiting part of our business and that you already know about, how we fix those at Fearless Agent Recruiting. And if you like what you see, hopefully maybe someday we can do business or help each other out one way or the other. So go to the next video and I'll tell you my story. Thanks.